Now let us assume that you, yes, you, are a filmmaker.
भाई साहब ये किस लाइन में आ गए आप? फिल्म लाइन में।
So in these unprecedented times when everything is locked up, you can't go out for shooting, can't even assemble your cast and crew, what would you do? Provided these scenarios, which subject matter will you choose? What do you think will be more impactful and possible to make? Which genre of film will you choose? The answer is a contained thriller. A contained thriller is a film which takes place in one or two locations. Now since everyone is in lockdown and you can't move around places, so a contained thriller will be an ideal choice for the creators. Now let's take a step ahead and talk about a subgenre which can make it happen. A screen-based film. Now these are the films which unfold entirely through computer screens and smartphones. We have thrillers like Searching and horror films like the Unfriended franchise, which were screen-based. We also have movies which have a different take, just like Paranormal Activity, which unfolds through a CCTV camera. You can also see other found footage films which do the same. So in a screen-based film, let's assume that you are opting for making a horror film. Then you have to deal with the genre cliches, like those typical jump scares.
I don't understand. Please.
Those look behind you scenes.
I can hear you. Are you still there? I just can't see you.
And those famous paranormal kitchen scenes. Now see, there is no problem with genre cliches, as I've told in my review of Loot Case. That genre cliches will always stay. It's up to the creators that how impactfully and creatively they show them. Yeah, but let's be honest, if you're making a horror film, then you have to deal with all these. Now this leaves us with thrillers. Now out of nowhere, India suddenly have not one but two screen-based thrillers. This is Review System. Now let's talk about See You Soon and The Gone Game. See You Soon is directed by Narayanan. If you want to see some of his work, I would recommend Take Off. So this movie is about Jimmy, who finds a girl named Anu on an online dating app. He falls in love with her so deeply that he wants to marry her. But one fine day, Anu goes missing, and then Jimmy appoints his cousin Kevin to find her. Later, Kevin finds out some dark secrets that Anu have been hiding from everyone. The movie stars Fahad Fazil, Roshan Pathyu and Darshana Rajendran. Now it will be a crime की वीडियो भी बना ली और फहाद फाजिल के बारे में कोई बात भी नहीं की. फहाद फाजिल is easily one of the finest actors working in India today. I mean, if you look at his filmography, his movies already have a cult status. And actors like him are the reason that Malayalam movies now have a pan-India approach, just like Tamil and Telugu films. Now, if you're making a movie mainly based on close-up shots, then Fahad Fazil is the guy to look for, because he is one of those very few actors who can convey and communicate through eyes, and this makes him the best in the business. He don't need a red and airy professional camera to show that. He can show you what he can do on his phone screen. Now, See You Soon works very fine as a thriller, but at the same time, it is more than just a thriller. It shows some serious issues like sex trafficking, the difficulties faced by the migrants outside India, and most of all, it is also a very emotional and very touching film. It was good to see how this movie tried to convey emotions through texts, which is very difficult to do. But because this movie is very skillfully held, it ticks all those boxes. So overall, it is one of a kind, and you should support content like this. Let's talk about The Gone Game. The Gone Game came before See You Soon.
तुम कब आए? सबसे पहले मैं ही आया.
And it is directed by Nikhil Bhatt. It is a web series which consists of 4 episodes. Set during the early days of pandemic, this series mainly revolves around the life of the Gujral family. Sahil Gujral, which is played by Arjun Mathur, tests positive for COVID. So he have to move to the hospital. And after some days, the family is informed that he is dead. The show takes an interesting turn when, under mysterious circumstances, the family find out that he might be alive. He may not be dead. Miracle! Maybe this all is a part of a bigger plan. Then some backstories unfold and the family members start blaming each other for what has happened. Now the good thing about this show is that the show shows the pandemic really well. It shows how it has affected almost all the classes of the society, and it somehow takes this backstory of the pandemic throughout its runtime. See You Soon and Gone Game are the examples that you don't need big budget and good locations to make a good film. You just need a strong story and good actors to do it. इसलिए अगर बजट कम हो तो ऐसे निराश नहीं होना चाहिए.
ਕੱਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਚੰਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਬੂਟ ਵੇਖੋ ਆ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ 500 ਵਾਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬੁੱਢਾ ਸਹਾਰਾ ਲੈ ਤੇ ਤੇ ਤੀਜੇ ਵਿਆਹ ਤੇ ਪੈਂਟ ਪਾਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਵਾ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਲੰਡੇ ਦਾ 30 ਰੁਪਏ ਵਾਲੀ ਸ਼ਰਟ ਲਿਆਤੀ ਹੈ.
पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं होता.
ਕੱਲੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
I strongly feel that the content like this should be cherished and not criticized, because efforts like these are the experiments which not all creators do. I was looking at the comments section of See You Soon, and majority of the comments were that it is copied from searching. The idea is not original. See, you have to understand under what circumstances these movies are made. It is the most that someone could have done. These are the creators who did not stop doing what they love even if they were restricted. What they did, they created a controlled and restricted environment and made a whole film on an iPhone. So stop being a critic, now go and watch both of them and explore a new way of narrative storytelling. And before you do that, please subscribe this channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and all the cinephiles.